Abundance and prosperity is not a destination, it's a feeling. Money grows on trees is a mindset that money is everywhere. Abundance is in all of us.
I never imagined waking up and seeing a beautiful, new, exotic place every day.
Every night I'm having incredible conversation after incredible conversation with a new person who I've never met before. Now they're going to be part of my life forever.
Our Money Grows on Trees event was next level. This year, we raised the bar and rented a 170-foot mega yacht on the Mediterranean, cruising up and down the coast of Croatia.
This really is a bucket list trip. To go to so many amazing ports and explore. Words can't describe how great it is. The people are just as amazing as the places you go and you see.
We all know the importance of a strong community, having people around you that support your goals and are aligned with the things that you want your life to be about. We all learned about the words we use and the life that we can give with those words.
Trip's been incredible. I mean, there's no other words to describe it. You know, dreams, often we find that they're out there, they're far away, but they are right here, and there is a way to have them and connect with them right now if we really can get out of that box and start to see that.
What we must do is realize that everything we want is on the other side of fear and discomfort. But we have to take those steps to place our bodies and our mind in the locations that create a life worth living in full prosperity.